All right, so Dr. Shaun here has been struggling with some low back pain over the weekend. Tell us what happened.
Doing some CrossFit type movements, handstand push-ups. At the end of the workout, my back started to tighten up and progressively it's just gotten a lot worse. That flexing, bending, all hurts.
Okay, so we're gonna do a one treatment challenge with him with the FX405. All right, so we've had Shaun on just the simple low back protocol with the FX405. He's been on for 20 minutes, so we're just about done here. And what we'll do is we'll have him, as soon as this is done, have him sit on up. So go ahead and bend forward there again.
Doesn't bite as much. It's still sore.
Sure.
But it doesn't. It's not as like sharp of a bite.
Yeah, you were before bending it maybe like 45 degrees, if that. So do that one more time again, and just see range of motion there.
It hurts even right there, but definitely a lot better.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.